Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to HP Tech Matters. Want to work smarter, not harder? Today, I'm showing you 20 keyboard shortcuts that'll instantly boost your productivity. Let's get right into it. Let's start with some basic shortcuts that everyone should know. Even if you're already using a few of these, you might discover some new ones. Control plus C for copy, Control plus V for paste, Control plus X for cut, Control plus Z for undo, Control plus Y for redo. These shortcuts alone will save you tons of time when working with text or files. Next, let's talk about navigating quickly through documents, web pages, and your computer's interface. Alt plus Tab, switch between open applications. Control plus F, find text within a document or web page. Windows plus D show or hide the desktop. Control plus Shift plus T. Reopen a closed browser tab. Control plus L, highlight the address bar in your browser. These are game changers, especially if you find yourself switching between multiple windows or browser tabs often. Now, let's move on to some advanced shortcuts that will make you look like a productivity pro. Windows plus L, lock your computer. Control plus Shift plus ESC, open Task Manager directly. Windows plus arrow keys, snap windows to the sides of the screen. Control plus Shift plus N, create a new folder in File Explorer. Alt plus F4. Close active windows quickly. These are perfect for organizing your desktop and multitasking like a pro. Alright, for all the pros out there, these shortcuts will take your productivity to the next level. Windows plus period. Open the emoji keyboard for easy access to emojis. Control plus Alt plus Delete. Bring up the security options screen to lock, sign out, or open Task Manager. Windows plus Control plus D. Create a new virtual desktop. Windows plus Control plus left-right arrow. Switch between virtual desktops. Windows plus P quickly connect or switch between multiple monitors. These pro-level shortcuts are fantastic for multitasking, especially when working with multiple desktops or monitors.